6.4 fenced acres on the Potomac River with west/expansive water views, breathtaking sunsets, and a private sandy beach and dock. Enjoy amazing views of the Potomac River with 240 linear feet of waterfront, a private dock, 2 large boat lifts, and 1 jet ski lift. Spacious floor plan with 4 finished levels and a detached apartment. The property includes parcel number 9A, 4 acres with barn. Custom-built luxury home with many upgraded features, including Anderson windows and doors, gourmet kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and so much more. Please see documents for a list of features. No sign in property. Use WAZE app for directions.